Sobra. My mom is a very, very stage mom. So when I told her about the project and bawal pa sabihin, sobrang pinipilit niya ako na sasabihin. So she's really happy and grateful, you know. She wanted to be an artista when she was younger. My lola wanted her to be an artista when she was younger. So seeing me on this stage to be an actor, even though she's far away, I'm always talking to her. And yeah, I really miss them. Hopefully I can see them the soonest. And yeah, super proud of them.
I haven't talked too much about this project yet to parents, but they know about it now. I'm sure they're always so happy and proud of me. They're always sending me messages randomly. They're like, "Hi, I'm so proud of you guys. And, you know, we love you." And stuff like that. They've become very affectionate. And so,
Pareho ba kayo independent living dito ngayon sa Pilipinas? Wala kayong kamag-anak na kasama?
For
for me, I'm an only child. And so I live alone. My two cats.
For me, my dad lives here po. So, and my lola and ninang, they're very supportive since I got home here. So sila po yung, you know, my backbone here in the Philippines. Pero syempre, iba po rin po yung motherly love. Yes.
I mean, yeah, I do have like two cousins who live in Manila, but we're both super busy. We don't really see each other that often.
You can rely on God naman. Ayun, joke.
Of course.
I can.
Tawag dito. Kukumustahin ko lang yung ano na mention mo kasi kanina, there was a time in your life na yung mental health mo inaasikaso mo. Ngayon ba, do you still have the same experience or medyo nag-i-improve na dahil you're busy, you're doing a lot of creative things?
It was like my rock bottom. I dealt with a lot of mental health issues, but now I've improved a lot because I've done a lot of inner work. I've looked into professional help as well, and just doing a lot of shadow work as well within myself, not just professionally, which has brought me to this point now. I know that's why even if I'm dealing with something, I know what to look for now. I have a map. I'm more grounded now, and especially of course in high school, I was still learning who I was, and I was dealing with a lot of personal issues as well.
Pero sobrang ano nyo, no? Hindi naman swerte kasi you're also working hard din naman. Pero talagang yung moment nyo ang bilis. Siga, medyo matagal naghintay, ano? Sa kanya medyo
7
mabilis.
years, 7
oo.
years, yeah.
Pero
Took me 7
parang
years.
ito yung momentum, no? So,
Hopefully po. And of course, very thankful to Viva. They trusted us with another project while we're still ongoing with Avenues of the Diamond. And yeah, so nakakataba po ng puso na Boss Vic, Boss Dominic, Boss Val, they trusted us with this project.
Sunod ko lang sa question ni Miss Ala. Yung Chasing in the Wild, before it started, and then, di ba halos every maglabas ng episode, nagtitrend kayo sa Twitter. Did you kind of expect that, na may ganun ka-strong attraction for...
Not really.
Yeah,
Of course, we were hoping na it would do well. But
Actually, by the way, kayong dalawa trending ngayon sa Twitter.
I really
Gablogman as Pat, and then Hayasan Calyado as Dana.
no, of course, we're just really thankful sa fans na sumusuporta. But yeah, like what Aya said, we didn't really expect it. We just wanted to sustain the energy of the first book and second book. And basta ma-sustain lang namin, that's enough for me. And ang grabe yung pagtanggap nila sa amin, and we're always thankful sa mga edits kasi yun yung importante po yung mga edits na ginagawa ng fans and yung mga comments sa Twitter, it really helped us boost the show kasi syempre wala po kami sa channel, nasa social media lang po kami, and it's very really important.
Do you somehow expect na ganun din sa Bad Genius? Halos paglabas ng every episode magtitrend din?
I mean, hopefully, of course, but the thing with us is we just focus as much as we can on our work. We try not to expect anything, and yeah.
Yeah, because if alam mo yun, pag yung expectations mo is too high and then di na-achieve, mas bababa yung energy. But as long as na we're giving 100%, like what Pash said, na binigay namin yung best and we're in good hands naman, very hands-on team, and si Derek, very talented, and then of course we have Tash, and then Jairus, who's been in the industry for 30 years.
Joke lang.
But yeah,
30 years.
but I'm really excited, of course, in another project with me and Haya. And ito different, different flavor compared sa Sitaw. This one is very upbeat yung kasi high siya. If pinanood niyo po yung series
Yeah.
nung Bad Genius, iba po yung atake. And then, sobrang layo ni Pat kay Sevi. Ako dito, mayaman, kupal. Si Sevi sobrang bait na hardworking. And yun, I'm really excited to give a different version of Gab.
Hindi ka naman natakot, Gab, na, di ba, sabi mo nga, 7 years before you got like this really huge following, na yung role mong ipa-perform ngayon ay medyo negative siya.
Sa ito?
Oo, sa Bad Genius. Hindi ka naman medyo natakot na, may strong fans na ako, tapos upo-portray ako ng bad role.
No, the best thing about being an actor is you're just being another person. It's not the Gab who I am. I know who I am, and ito parang a different flavor to them because yun nga, sabi nga ni Direk when we were workshopping, he doesn't want us to be just genre as this leading man lang and ito lang yung gagawin mo. Kasi sabi niya, if you become older, mas mahaba yung pagiging trabaho mo. If you become a character actor na pwede ka maging kontrabida, pwede ka maging bida. So I really appreciated him and na-challenge yun ako at the same time. Kasi syempre, hindi ako mabait dito. Galing ako sa mabait na Selby. Pero yun, I'm just really blessed na I can portray a different character habang ongoing din naman yung book 4 and then we're in book 5, di ba? And book 6. So,
Fun question lang, just for your fans, how are you guys gonna celebrate your summer? Or spend your summer? If you have time, because dalawa ate yung shows
Have
niyo.
my time. Relax.
yeah, because
Busy.
we're doing
2 shows, right?
2 shows at the
Yeah,
same
yeah.
time. Hopefully, we get to hang out because right now we're full na sa Unibrigada cast and we wanted to bond, and then of course we wanted to bond with Tash and Jai. Ipa-plan din kaming to have a bonding after nito para mas maging yung chemistry.
Kanina kasi tinanong kayo, like, for yourself, di ba, kung ano yung bad moments niyo at genius moment mo. How about for each other? Ikaw, Gab, kailan naging bad and genius si Hyacinth? And then for you, for Gab.
Wow.
Kailan naging bad and genius?
Ano yung bad sa kanya or genius sa kanya?
I think with Gab, bilis.
Then for me, yung genius kay Haya is, of course, she's a very, very talented person. Of course, especially in singing, because we have to do more shows together. So meron time na
Confident ka na.
I think in Davao, I was so nervous because it was her first small show. And then ako yung unang kakanta. And she saw that and sinalo niya ako. And then, alam mo, hindi pa yung part niya, pero sinalo niya na ako to give confidence. That's really love about her. Like, we're just a team. For Bad, wala ko na akong masabi. One thing I love about Haya is just we're transparent to each other. We're just there for each other. And I see myself to her when she was starting. Came from the States, now homesick. And then now na, I just want to be there for her because grabe tuloy-tuloy siya chasing in the wild and then Bad Genius and then she's doing shows. So I'm just really happy for her success.
Sobrang tight nyo na, no?
Compare nung una po ba?
Mukhang na-break niya na talaga yung wall. Wala nang wall. Totally. Sige, si Haya to answer first.
With Gab, with the genius part, there's a lot of things. He's very talented as well. And I don't know why I always feel this is always my first. He's very determined, hardworking, and he's a genuine guy. So you know that you can really trust him with his craft, everything that he does. And you're also balancing a lot in terms of all the projects, and you're doing a lot of basketball. Then he's always working so hard.
Parang palagi na sa
He's
province sa
getting
Gab every week.
I know.
Nagba-basketball.
I'm always hoping you're getting enough rest. And then, in terms of that,
Walang makitang bad.
Walang makitang bad. Okay. Ang saya nila. Thank you, guys.
Ba't di mo siya sinasama sa province?
Meron po nung one basketball show namin, she was my muse nung kami sa LBU, we're chasing, diba? Hopefully more. And then, hopefully, more racket na. Meron kaming ginawa rin sa Abra naman tayo na isa agad.
Yeah.
And you've worked many other projects now. I think 3 now or 4. So, nagkakayaan pa rin ba kayo? Or how was your working dynamics?
Now we're just really well, for me, I'm really comfortable with her. Compared nung unang-una, because I remember we didn't really hang out kasi we were busy. And then sinalang na kami sa interview with Kuya Luis noon. So our very first time, we always say this, we had a tapsilog together. Sa baba ng studio. Getting to know her, and I found out we have a lot of similarities, like food-wise, and what she likes, and yun naman in this industry, as long as you guys work together, makikilala mo yung isa't isa, kung ano yung gusto niya, anong gusto niya, or she woke up in the wrong side of bed, kung wala ba siyang tulog, and you're just there to support. Kasi, of course, we're a team. That's the most important thing.
Yeah, I can sense now we're a lot more comfortable now with each other. We know each other a lot more now. I think to the point where we don't even have to say much. We can kind of now understand more how we work, how I work, how he works, and how we can work together and help each other.
May share ba kayong quirks ng isa't isa?
Quirks?
Oo. Paltek. Yung parang, ano ba?
Like,
Ano po yung sorry?
Quirks. Parang eccentricity. Or parang alam mo na ba kung kailan siya may toyo? Alam mo na ba? Alam mo na kung kailan ka lalayo ng konti?
Gabby's always such a smiley guy.
Sunshine talaga.
Very sunshine, but I can tell sometimes when he's tired.
Yeah.
I don't know. He can be super kulit. So like at the times when he's not, I can sense that I think he just came from work and he hasn't had a lot of sleep.
Siguro yung both with us, pag wala po kami tulog, kasi yung schedule namin dun sa Chasing in the Wild was really hectic na we have to do promo, we have to do dubbing, so, or pag hindi pa nakakakain.
Pag di pa ako makain. So,
No, for me.
Oh!
Actually,
pero alam nyo na kung paano i-remedy yun or parang alam nyo na kung kailan
very supportive naman kasi syempre, sometimes I have a topless scene and I wouldn't eat, remember? And then
I'm the one encouraging him, just take a bite.
I would feel like really lightheaded, and then she'll order me a smoothie sometimes. I'll order a smoothie sometimes. Diba?
He loves smoothies.
So may mga ganun lang effort. Tiny efforts. Na magiging bigger efforts.
And Aisin and Gab, can you share lang din sa followers nyo or sa mga fans nyo, yung mga off-cam moments na ginagawa nyo? Like, may ba kayo banding or anong hulid yung gawing dalawa? Off-cam.
We love Mexican food.
We love to eat.
So every time, we love to eat. Yeah. We really want to find the best Mexican food here in the Manila.
Yeah.
So we tried this one malapit lang sa kung saan kami nagda-dubbing. It was really a cool spot, and we wanted to go to more kasi yun yung favorite namin na napag-usapan in the US, yung authentic Mexican food. So yeah.
Sometimes he even wants to share his favorite spots. Like we talk about Inasal because I'm from Bulacan.
JT Manupans.
Yeah, he always suggests that to me, and I also want him to try a lot of different ones.
Congratulations and invite everyone na lang to watch Bad G News and also if you have future projects na abangan.
Hi everyone, it's Hyacinth Gallardo.
And I'm Gab Lagman. And we're inviting you guys to watch Bad G News soon on Viva One. And of course, Avenues of the Diamonds soon on Viva One. We'll be here tomorrow.
Wow! Every day, no? Congrats! See you tomorrow.